Hey everybody, welcome back. Today, we are going to do an oil change on my daughter's 110cc Chinese quad. So stay tuned. I don't know what to expect, but got some of this stuff from Co-op, the 1540 flavor. So, should be fun. Let me move that. Alright, first thing we're going to do is we're going to just take a peep here, take a gander if you will, at what the oil looks like and smells like. And now before I started, I wiped all the mud and stuff around here so that I don't get anything into the crankcase. So let's see here. Not bad. Smells like gasoline. Tastes like gasoline. Good thing we're fuck that. Whew, that's strong on gasoline. Whew, more gasoline than oil. So, good thing we're changing it out, hey? We don't want to be washing them cylinders and them bearings down. So, I'm going to reach around underneath, and when I find the drain plug, well, there we go, I will let you know what the size is. Alright guys, there's the drain plug, right there, and it is 14 millimeter. So let's pull it off and see what we got to work with here. There we go. We're doing this all live action. Oh, this is not gonna work well. Sorry guys for that. Oh, I'm gonna get coated. That's in there. So this is just for like people that are like, you don't do enough actual wrenching in your videos. It's because it's hard for me to hold the camera. Oh, that just shot the fuck out. Holy crap. I don't know what happened there. I'm gonna investigate. We'll be right back. Alright guys, I guess I was wrong. It ain't that guy there. I think that has something to do with the transmission, but I think it's this dude right here. So let's take this drain plug out, which is an 18 mil. And see what comes out of it. Let me zoom in. Come on, fuck. There we go. Fingers are all greasy, grimy, gross. Come on. I don't want to get shit on the floor. Sorry for this, guys. I moved the drain pan so that I wouldn't get anything on the floor. I hope this is engine oil. Oh, that's engine oil. Whew. Alright, well, I'm going to let this drain, and we'll fill it up with some 1540. Alright, guys. Got the oil drained, got the cap pack on, funnel in. Now let's do this. It says it needs 0.8 liters of oil, according to the interwebs. So let's get this going. I might have to grab a tool to open this. I have no fingernails because I am a woman. Hang on guys, we'll be right back. Oh, fuck. Nah. You don't want to leave oil stains on your floor because then you look like an alcoholic. Hank Hill, 1998. Damn it, Bobby. Leaving oil stains on my driveway make me look like I'm an alcoholic. If you guys get that reference, comment down below. Alright. 0.8, they say. A little bit more. And we'll check it. Alright. We got her pretty much done. Now, I haven't ran it yet. But, well, it's up the stick. Now, these are better to be underfilled than overfilled. So, I am now going to just wait a couple days. I gotta pull that oil up. Because it's weekend here, and we actually in the middle of a snowstorm, which is kind of crazy. Welcome to Canada in May. And then once a couple days here, I get a battery for this quad here, and that guy there, and then probably have to top it up. But that's my video for today on how to do an oil change on one of these Chinese quads. I don't know what that first thing was that I pulled. If this machine blows up, it's my bad. So anyways, guys, that's all for today. Love you. Thank you so much for your support. I don't know what I'm doing. I'm just a mechanic who I like turning wrenches. I like editing videos. So I'm not good at either one of them, but I try. Anyways, guys, I love you. See you next time. God bless.